Welcome to our simple to use real estate investment planning software. We have three components of our software. One is a property analysis. The second thing of it is our single family home retirement strategy. And thirdly is we have it where you can enter and track all, not only your real estate assets, but also your entire portfolio and be able to keep track of it, navigate through it, analyze it, etc. So with that said, I want to first start with the command center. This is a command center, makes it very easy to go ahead and navigate through this software. We also have video training on each and every page, so it makes it very simple to learn as far as how to use this in a matter of minutes. The first thing we have on the items here is what we call a property analysis. You can go ahead and enter in whether it be a single family home or whether it be an apartment, whatever the case may be. Enter in all the necessary data, your purchase price, down payment, what the rental rates are going to be, and then it will let you know if you should buy and hold it or should you buy and flip and what your return is going to be on each. Down at the bottom, it allows you to go ahead and print out everything, or you can go ahead and email it out as well. This here, if we go back here to the command center, I'm going to show you a property analysis as far as sample here. This will allow you to be able to see what it looks like as far as when it prints out. And this is page 1. Shows you a picture of the property, all your returns, your purchase details, monthly, annual, tax analysis, etc. The next page, it shows a 30-year analysis of each and every property that you would enter into this. Next thing of it is it shows as far as how your cash flow works and also as you start to reduce the debt. So this all is very, very simple to use as far as within our software. Next thing we have is called a property job estimate. When you buy real estate investment properties, you're going to need to analyze as far as what it's going to cost to rehab that property before you ever make an offer. You can actually do this in a matter of minutes. It makes it very easy. Then once you do buy the property, you can email this to your contractor and you're ready to move forward as far as with rehabbing the property. Next item we have is what we call our single family home retirement and college strategy. This is a very exciting strategy for your children. You can put it in here if you want to consider buying a, let's say, a single family home for one of your children. You can see what it's going to look like in 18 years when they graduate from high school and how much money you would have. In this case, they would have $282,000, with an investment of maybe only around $30,000 to start. So it makes it very, very affordable. Next thing of it is on your own personal retirement. This here, the single family home retirement strategy, which by the way, if you go to REIP1.com, you can see a complete video on just this strategy alone. This allows you to see if you go out and you buy 4, 5, 6 properties, in this case it was 6 properties, and what it's going to look like in 15, 20 years when they're all paid off. In this scenario here, it's showing $151,000 or $12,000 a month that you would be receiving indefinitely for the rest of your retirement, or about $144,000, as far as if it's just $12,000, but in this case it's $151,000. Also in this scenario here, you got 6 properties free and clear, so now they're worth about $3.2 million. Again, this is broken down in the single family home retirement strategy video that you can see at our website, which again is REIP1.com. This also has a loan application. This makes it very simple, so you can go ahead and enter in all your data one time. Once you enter in one time, you can upload this so you don't have to continue to fill out these loan applications for your lender. One of the biggest reasons I've seen in 30 years as a broker and an investor that people don't refi is because the hassle of doing it outweighs the benefit unless it's significant in terms of reducing interest rates. But even a couple percent can make a huge difference over 20 years. You also have what we call our file cabinet. This allows you to accumulate, again, all your documentation, not only your loan app, but all your documentation that's going to be needed to go ahead and do a refinance. In this case, if it was a real estate document, you can come in here, click on the real estate document, and then we can go ahead and view it, as far as on the document itself. By clicking on here, you can go ahead and be able to see the document. By clicking on here, you can actually see the document that you have. So all the documents are kept as far as inside the file cabinet here and into your portfolio. The next thing we have is what we call a loan package for a lender. This has a couple things. It has a very handy checklist of all the items that you're going to need for a lender. It also allows you to get files of any sort, whether it be what I just showed you there, or in this case, let's say it's a 1040 form that they want to see. Well, you can go ahead and upload it one time. It'll always stay in there, and if you need it for previous years, like this is 2011, it'll always be there. So it's a very handy tool and enables you to, again, manage your portfolio very, very effectively and very, very quickly. The next thing that we have in the real estate investment planning software is your portfolio. This allows you to enter in all your data, not just real estate, but all your documents for your portfolio. But in this case, it is real estate. It allows you to put in picture of the property, all the loan types, whether it's a first or second mortgage, the interest rates, what the loan balances are, etc. So it allows you to be able to manage your portfolio very, very easily. The next item is here is you can put in all your stocks. You can put in what you have in your different savings accounts. You can add them. You can change them. Your retirement, same thing. You can add different types of retirements that you have. Also, any notes that you've held on properties maybe you've sold in the past that you've taken back a note that somebody's paying you on. Limited partnerships or any partnerships as far as that goes. Your income taxes, it'll continue to track your income taxes every year and any refunds that you're receiving to see if you're gaining or losing on reducing your tax liability. The exciting thing is it allows you to see your net worth, and as your net worth grows, not just in real estate here, but in your entire portfolio, in this case they had about $878,000 in net worth, you'll be able to see that grow each and every year. The next thing you have is your cash flow. It allows you to see all your real estate, dividends, interest, but also your income and then all your expenses. And then what we call RMCF, or remaining monthly cash flow, which is basically where you're going to live is month to month. Lastly, you get a summary. This gives you a snapshot in time of where you are right now. In this case, it's your remaining cash flow, your net worth, etc. And this here, which you're going to see, I'm going to go back to the command center right now, which, by the way, if you ever get lost in the software, you come right back here, you hit command center, and you got all this information. But the snapshot I just showed you also stays on your main screen here for you, so you can see all this information at one glance. Lastly here, we have a couple other things. We have a lot of other ancillary forms that you can have. We also have this set up for brokers and real estate agents, should they be representing as far as other clients. And then this here also gives a complete current asset diversification as far as of your portfolio, whether it be real estate, retirement, and it shows how diversified you are. Lastly, if you want to go ahead and print out your portfolio, this is just a sample of a printout. You can come up here and it shows you very, very quickly as far as what your portfolio look like. This is on a John Brooks here, and you can send this right to your lender. Makes it very nice. Here's your savings, this is your retirement, notes held, partnerships, taxes, net worth, your cash flow, and your portfolio summary. So it makes it very, very easy to navigate and be able to put this in your portfolio and to control it as far as year after year. This over here is for real estate agents. Should you be a real estate broker and agent, you want to represent other clients, this software allows you to do that as well. So I would encourage you to visit our website at reip1.com, and you'll be able to see, again, a video on just the property analysis, single family home retirement strategy, and the complete real estate investment planning software.